Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression, which is 3 times 16 divided by 4 then minus 5 to the power of 0. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression we have these parentheses. So first this parentheses, 16 divided by 4 gives us just 4. So 3 times just 4 minus 5 to the power of 0. Okay, here we have one multiplication, one subtraction, and one exponent. According to PEMDAS, first we have to handle this 5 to the power of 0, which equals 1. So 3 times 4 minus 1. And now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first 3 times 4, which equals 12. And 12 minus 1 gives us just 11. So our final answer to this problem is just 11.